Hi beauties, it's Amy here. Hope you're having a fabulous day. So I thought I'd just do a quick video because last night, was it last night or the night before, on the Bachelor in Paradise, so many episodes at the moment, it's a bit overwhelming, for the rose ceremony, Nina had the most stunning red, bold red lipstick that we have seen on The Bachelor in Paradise. Much better than when Flo had her red lipstick, which was a different shade of red to the dress she was wearing, or she was even wearing pink lipstick, I can't remember, but it was bad. But Nina's look was on point, and I especially loved that she was wearing a black dress, which I decided to wear a black dress today as well. And then she had her hair up in a bun like I've got now, and she had big statement earrings. I don't really do big statement earrings too much, so I've just got my little earrings on, especially because I'm just going out today. It's a bit more casual, but I wanted to show you guys how you could easily achieve the same full-on red lip. So when I first started doing my makeup this morning, I put on MoMA's lip primer, Ministry of Mineral Makeup Australia lip primer. It has jojo butter in, I always say that wrong, and it creates a great base for your lipstick, but you want to do it at the start of your makeup because then it has time to absorb before you do your lips at the end. So when you're doing a really bold red lip, I always recommend you use lip liner. Now, the biggest thing with lip liner, so I've got this Benecos one in red, and it is one you need to sharpen. So I sharpened it this morning, and it's a good way of keeping it hygienic as well. So when you're doing your lip liner, you don't just want to do a line around your lips, you actually want to fill your whole lips in, like you're colouring on a colouring book. So I'll show you how to do that. Now I like to start from the bottom. And I'm not going too far into the corner of my lip, because if you have your mouth like wide open, you can see there's colour there, but when, you know, we're normally, you know, resting our face, if you have colour there, it will actually bleed out and it will look really odd. So just on that side, I go back. And then I'm going to use the side of the pencil to fill it in. Like that. And now because I've got the lip primer on, it's actually made it a little bit softer than just a hard pencil, which is really good. And that means I've been able to get that colour on the top straight away. Using a good mirror with a magnifying glass will really help you with this. So once we've got that nicely filled in and coloured in our whole lips, we can do the lipstick over the top. So I'm using the colour Catwalk by Benecos. It is such a beautiful red, as you can see there, stunning. And I'm using the Vegan Lip Brush. So I always use a brush with lipstick because I find it's just better than trying to do it straight from the product. You can be more precise and you end up using less product. So I get some of this on there, and you just want to go over where you've done the lip liner. And it just gives that thicker colour. And if you ever feel like you've gone too far out of the line, what you can do is you can grab a cotton bud and just roll it in and up, and it will just take that edge off. It's a really great little tip. And then pop your lips together, get a bit of colour on the top, and then go around and finish the Cupid's bow. So just like that, you can easily achieve the same lip colour that Nina had on The Bachelor in Paradise. If you want to read more about the makeup on The Bachelor in Paradise, you can follow my Bachelor beauty blog. I'll put the link below. And all the products that I was using today are available on my website, bluebirdnaturalbeauty.com. Anyway guys, have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Bye!